we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Golf R with a Starline Immobiliser. So if a thief done a copy of this key, went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. As you can see, the vehicle's not firing up. They're unable to drive it away. So what the customer's got to do with a Starline Pro is turn the ignition on, do their code. For now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, foot on the brake, and the car fires up. Customer can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses, and this system can also be paired to a phone. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone. This can be locked and in your pocket. When you leave the vehicle, the system becomes active. When you come back to the vehicle, the system disarms automatically. Don't need to do anything. So with the phone in your pocket, just start the car, hear the disarm tone straight away, and it fires up. And you can drive away, no need to waste time with a PIN code. If you're taking the car for a service, take it back to Volkswagen. What you do, pop into the Starline key app, press and hold on here. The green circle means the vehicle's currently protected. If we hold, it'll go to yellow. Let go and we get 2 bleeps. Yellow means it's in service mode. So when it goes back to Volkswagen, just hand them the key. It's like the Immobiliser doesn't exist. It's completely turned off. The car's going to start without a code. They're going to be able to drive it around their workshop and road test it. There'll be none the wiser or anything fitted. When you get it back, press and hold till it goes back to green. Like I said, when it's yellow, it's in service mode. When it's green, it's protected. So we let go, we get 2 bleeps and it remains green. Now the vehicle's secure. So we'll just turn our Bluetooth off. So like your phone's gone out of range. Someone's now tried to attack the vehicle, so they've got a copy of your key. They unlock it, get in to start it. The vehicle just doesn't fire up. The customer can set their own code on this system. And the way they'll do that is first disarm it. So we'll pop our code in to prove that it's us. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and on. Now it's ready to learn. So we'll just set a new code. Every time we press a button, we're going to get a bleep. That's our code. We'll wait for a double bleep confirmation. And again, repeat our code. Wait for the same double bleep confirmation. And we're all done. So we can turn the car off now. This is the Starline Pro. Like I said, pairs to the phone, so you don't need to do the code. Has the push sequence if your phone goes flat. Like I'll just show you. So ignition on, we pop our new code in. Wait for our disarm tone. And start. Protects the vehicle in case someone does a copy of the key, tries to steal it. Protects the car against key cloning, relay attack. Disarm by the phone or the PIN code. Also, if you forget the PIN code because you've been on holiday and also smash your phone, there's a 4-digit override code provided with the system. This is your back door in, totally unique to the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call 0208 212 7393. This is a Golf R.